I'll try something. Boomer is so addicted to birdseed. He'd rather have birdseed than peanuts. At least he thinks he does. And then he gets a peanut and he's happy. Let's see. Let's see what we can do here. Come here, Boomer. Hey, Boomer. What are you doing, man? Come here, Boomer. Come here, Chip Chip. Here, buddy. Come on, Chip Chip. Chippy, come here. Come here, Chip Chip. Come here, Boomer. Come here, Chippy Chippy. Hi, Boomer. Hi, Boomer. Come on, Boomer. Come here, Boomer. Come on. Here. Come on, Boomer. And there he goes for the birdseed. He's such a trip. He'll want birdseed until I walk over there and give him a peanut. And then he prefers the peanut. That's my Boomer. But when he runs out of birdseed, then he comes back to me. Now see? Boomer, why didn't you just come to me over there, honey? Look, I got a better one. Hey, Boomer. How about this one? Take this one first. Okay, Boomer. Unbelievable. Go on, buddy. You won't go till I tell him to. Okay, Boomer. Yeah, it's my Boomer.